been a while. It feels very, very strange in this skin. Because initially I'm not sure if this still fits. But I found the song. I have known this song before. I have known this song before. It's just that I heard it again after not hearing it for years. And it is a love song. It is a love song. But somehow the lyrics, they interpreted themselves a bit differently inside my head. So I want to try something. I want to try something. It feels so weird because this is not the chicken quarters. This is just my room. And also I'm filming with the back camera. I usually film with the front camera just to check if I'm still in the frame. And also to give me the illusion that I am actually talking to someone that's alive and not just a pinhole or something like this. But then now it's the back camera and I'm not comfortable because I'm not seeing an illusion of a person. But I will try. And a silhouette of a person usually helps whenever I do or speak about something. Because even if I don't look at the image on the phone, in my peripheral vision, I can see that there's a figure of a person there, and it gives me that illusion of having a one-on-one conversation. But now I don't have it, so I suddenly forget how to think and speak like the usual. But yeah, it's challenging, but I like it. It's making me uncomfortable, so it's giving me that bit of something that, hey, your brain is learning something new. And I should get on with it. And I will try my best not to go out of frame. Because right now that's what's also not making me uncomfortable. I have that question, am I still in the frame, or is my entire face visible in this? I'm just guessing. I calculated the position of this and this chair, but let's see if it works. So I'm gonna get on with it. And it's still me at the end of the day. Don't be scared. I'm not.